Adi. Hello there. Welcome back to the channel.
Welcome back, welcome to the channel.
So today we are not going to discuss any topic. We randomly thoughts about our day, about our night. Let's talk about how went our last night.
Just we woke up like half an hour ago. Now we are going
Had to tea
drink a cup of tea
with some butter. Like yesterday we did it. So it's a really sunny day. You can see in complex.
I guess.
Yeah, but it's look like very very kind of
Dull.
You
Just
can
because
say.
of trees.
Just look at
covering the area.
just look at the view. I mean, on the right side, on the left side, there is a what's called this tree?
Bananian
Bamboo? No, this is not bamboo at all. But let it be. Just you can enjoy the view. And here,
and if you know that, comment down below.
so let me know us what call this tree. We actually know this tree, but in right now.
Like our mother tongue. And we can't say
And
it
here
on
is
this
the-
channel. You will guys.
So yesterday night, just guess at what time we get sleeping.
I guess.
So actually we guess
Compared
almost.
to all other nights, yesterday nights we sleep at early.
Yes, I think so. It's a 4 a.m.
No,
3 or 30 a.m. Early in the morning. When everyone is wake up, we are going to sleep at friend's home. But it's end of the time because his parents come today, and so yeah, we are not more going to
There is
sleep
not
for.
anymore any nights with friends
And we are waiting for another family to go village, and we are going
so
to
we can sum
that
up the group and
yes, we can do some stuff there. Look at this bike, it's kind of KTM.
Duke,
It's a
I guess.
KTM, yes, it's a KTM. It's a red one car.
See, this is what I'm talking
Innova.
about, Innova, right?
Okay, guys, this is Innova car. I think this is a 7-seater.
Yes, 7-seater.
I think we are thinking to buy this car in this year.
This is more comfortable.
Yes, because we have 8 to 9 people of group of people. So if we can buy this early in this year,
7 will come up with the car and rest 3 will come by
yes,
walking.
and we carry one big speaker with us. Without a speaker, it feels like
It feels like life without color.
oh, let's go. So we have to buy that Innova car, and we cover. And for now, we haven't cover our state too. But let it be. It's a really sunny day, as you can see. The sun
But
is
our
lighting up.
parents his parents are like 3-wheeler and my parents like have 2-wheeler.
That's a different part, guys. We'll tell you in another video. For now, I'm not going to tell about that things. And I will show you a children academy school that is the biggest school in this area. That's called. It's for children only. Yes, if I will write. So this is the children academy, and here you can say a pot of tree flower you can say. And I will show you my upcoming bike. I think so. This is the Honda Unicorn bike.
This is the bike he had planning to buy. Yeah, this is the bike.
But what's the reason why I'm buying this bike? Tell us out, guys.
For the long seat,
Yes.
the people you have in your group can sit comfortably with you.
Yes,
Right.
I'm thinking if I buy this bike for the reason because of we can sit at least 3 to 4 for a gallivanting in the night. Yes,
What do you mean by
it's gallivanting means visit some area without work, just for time
Just
pass.
like time pass.
Yes,
Gallivanting.
gallivanting.
Galli-
GALLIVANTING. Gallivanting.
B or B?
V. Gallivanting. So yes, so we are in our local market, right?
On main area.
Yes, it's the main area. Here you can buy some
where
Here you can see
vehicles
hotels,
pass by continuously.
malls. Yes, this is what I'm talking about. Hotels here, dhaba.
Competition,
But we are going for having a tea.
but we are going for a tea.
Yes,
You
guy.
know, if we Indians can't woke up and drink tea, then headache will be caused.
For all the day, for rest of the day. So that's why we are going for having a tea. I think so. We also buy with some butter or something complimentary. So
With
that
tea.
we learn about क्या बोलते हैं यार, complimentary item. Our teacher teaches Pendu sir. It's a tea. Like here, there's some student, as you can see.
As
yeah.
you can see,
That's the thing we are going
we
for.
are not afraid anymore. And that's
So-
what we have been doing in our life.
Yes. Oh, that's a fucking really insane bike, I can see. Let's go. That's it for the day. Hit the subscribe button, like button. Keep learning, keep growing. Let's go, guys.